Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. And today I'm stopping by with like a mega haul. It makes it look like I'm a millionaire. I'm really not. This was kind of been really waiting for things to go on sale. They all happened to go on sale at the same time. And partially my birthday present, even though I didn't know my family was going to get me a birthday present because usually I just buy stamps. They spoiled me. If you watch Game of Thrones, I am like totally obsessed with Game of Thrones. And they bought me Needle, Arya Stark's sword. And I'm over the moon about that. But regardless, so this is a mega haul. I debated about posting it, but I had several friends that wanted to see. So here we go. There's way too much to list individually down below, so I just put the stores that I received goodies from. I also have my Pink and Main foil subscription coming that I cannot wait for. I am so glad they started the foil subscription because it's a neat way to kind of build up my foils and foilables from them because I absolutely love them. And I have one more order coming from the greeting farm from the farmer's market. If you're not familiar with the greeting farm, every quarter, I believe it is, they do the farmer's market. You can request things in advance. Sometimes you can get them fulfilled, sometimes not. But things are available that maybe previously were not available, and sometimes they're at a discounted price. So I still have those coming, and I think that's it. And I think, I do have one more order from Cat Scrappiness coming because I could not resist the new bundle that Cat has with the little quokkas, and it's like say cheese or something. I got the big bundle because it's just adorable and I have lots of plans for it. So other than that, I pretty much need to be done shopping for the rest of the year, I feel. Like I said, this is like a mega haul. This is not typical for me. I do purchase stuff, but typically not in this amount. But like I said, things went on sale and stuff. So I'm going to start with Scrappy Boy. I have been waiting and waiting because I absolutely love their cute girls stamps. Well, I love all their stamps, but I'm particularly drawn to the cute girl line. And I've been waiting and waiting because I couldn't really decide, like, how do you get one and not the other one? Well, they had a sale for 30% off. So I took that as my sign to go ahead and stock up on that. So I did add some of the paper pads. This is the Cute Girls Chores paper pad. And then the I Love Love paper pad. And then I Love Reading paper pad. And then the rest are just the stamp sets. I think I got all but like maybe one or two. I already owned a few, but now I'm caught up and I can do all the cute girls. This is the Cute Girls Book Lovers. Cute Girls Summer. I just love this one in the little floaty. Well, this is me probably. Cute Girls Camping. This is the Merry and Bright. I like the little gingerbread. The Cute Girls Easter. And the Cute Girls Chores. I just thought that would be kind of fun and different. Next, I won a gift certificate to Whimsy Stamps. They are also one that I have a wish list that is 5,000 miles long. I usually go and I can't decide. I figured I had a wish list, or I got the gift certificate, and I just decided to knock a lot of things off of my wish list while I was there. So I got let's see, what is this one? Wicked Cute. You can guess which series might be coming up soon, although it won't be every day. The Cat O' Lanterns. I love Chrissy Armstrong, and I love her stamps. This is Halloween Night. That little bat. Bundles of Hugs. I've wanted this stamp for a really long time. Cool Beans. I think that they're just so adorable. This is Nancy May's fault. She had shared a few things using this fall hedgehogs, and so I just had to get it. So adorable. Another Chrissy Armstrong, Halloween Magic. I've wanted this one for a really long time too. Pumpkin Spice Pandas. I think I might have to make a card or two for my friend Lynn, who you may know as LV Handcrafted. She loves pandas and coffee. Snail mail, I couldn't resist because I love to send out mail, and I thought that these snails were just so darn cute. And then So Witchy. She just was a fun character. And then I've seen lots of people using this. It's instead of bokeh, it's buka. And the patterns in it were just so cool. So I picked that up. Then I got some stamps on sale from the Greeting Farm. Like I said, I have one more order coming. I was hoping they would come for this haul, but they didn't. I'm really catching up on the couple stamps because I don't have very many of those. I have been a fan of the Greeting Farm from the beginning. They were called Pretty Pink Poison or Pink Poison, something like that when it started. I have almost, well, there's actually a lot that I don't have, but I do have a lot. I was on their design team for a while. I was on Whimsy Stamps design team for a while too, back in the day. But the Greeting Farm just holds a special place in my heart, so I stock up on them when I can. The Greeting Farm is also one that sometimes they retire without notice, and I always have that fear of missing out. So yeah, so this is the Nice Couple. This is Miss Anya Trendy. I just thought she was so fun. I really like this one when taking her selfie, or maybe taking a picture, who knows. The Lift Couple. I just liked the ideas of the paper airplanes. For Real. So cute. The Cute Couple is adorable. I love her little hair decoration there, her accessory. The Cool Couple. And then since Annabelle loves France, and I'm trying to maybe create some cards for her since she's away at college, I got Anya in France. And then I got the Smile Couple. That rainbow's so fun. All right, and then the last order that I placed was for Newton's Nook. Since I am on their Inky Paws Challenge team, a lot of the stamps that I previously had were retired, so I'm building up my stash of those to use with the challenge. I did get 2 paper pads. Again, you can sense what the theme next month is going to be on my channel and creating. Halloween Muse and Halloween Woofs. And then I got, let's see, Happy Halloween. I got the stamp set and matching die. Let's see, this is Halloween Pile. Thought it was cute that he's as a ghost, and the matching die. They have the, what's this one called? Halloween Trio. It says Boo, and I got the die. I liked that the die had the little bats and had the trick or treat. This one I've wanted for quite a while, so I was excited to get it. I think it's called Halloween Doxy, or Dress Up Doxies. And I got the dies with that. But look at it, it's a taco. If you know me, you know I love tacos. This has also been on my wish list for quite a while. Brooms and Boos. I just thought that they were so fun. And then the last stamp set and die that I got is the Newton's Beautiful Night. I like him on the broom there and the dies. And then I picked up a couple stencils. I thought these it's a ghost stencil, and the bats. I thought that those were fun. So that is my mega haul. Like I said, this is not really typical. It just timed out right that things went on sale that have been on my list for a while. Coincided with my birthday. Hopefully I am done shopping. Now I can just focus on creating. Like I said, I do have the cat scrappiness coming and the Pink and Mane. Well, I'm subscribed to all of Pink and Mane subscriptions because I think that they are just such a value. I didn't list out everything that I got because that would have been way too much, but all the shops are linked in the description box below, as well as Pink and Main because they are quickly becoming one of my favorite stores. And I think that that's all I have for you today. I know some people don't like haul videos, and I really debated about doing it, but I just thought it would be fun for something different, and you can see the things that I will be creating with probably for the next couple years. Anyways, go do something for yourself, go get crafty, and I'll be back here in the morning for another birthday card for my series in September. Have a great day.